going to show you how to make a citrus celebration mood uplifting blend. So I'm a massive fan of celebrating the small things in life. So this blend is perfect whether you're doing that, you're celebrating the small stuff, or you're having a party, having a celebration in your home, anything like that that deserves brightness and sunshine in your home and in the area you're in, then this recipe is perfect. So it's 4 essential oils, 3 are citruses and 1 is not. So this is my diffuser. It's my smaller diffuser because I'm probably going to burn this in the hallway, which is quite a small space. Add water, so fill it up to the max line and then add your essential oils. Every diffuser will have a max line, you're best not to go past that, okay? Now, essential oils. We're going to start with our Sunshine essential oil, which is orange, and I'm going to use 3 drops. Orange is bright orange. It is the colour of the sun and it smells like sunshine. It is so bright and perfect for a celebration. Now, lime essential oil. It's one of my favourite essential oils. It's incredibly intense, so 3 drops. Incredibly intense and potent and powerful and beautifully uplifting as well. Bergamot is an interesting essential oil from an aromatic point of view in that it smells a bit like orange and lime mixed in a strange way. It's beautiful. I'm going to use 2 drops of it so you can see the citrusness in this blend is pretty strong. The last essential oil I'm going to use is basil. Now basil is beautiful and the reason I'm using it, I'm going to use 2 drops, and the reason, it's so nice. So nice. The reason I'm using basil with all my citruses is that an intense infusion of citruses is perfect, but actually a bit of balance aromatically is really nice, which is why basil, just 2 drops, will just level this out so it feels more of a celebratory diffusion blend and not just a straightforward citrus blend. So 3 orange, 3 lime, 2 drops of bergamot, 2 drops of basil. Put your lid back on and that is your diffuser. I would diffuse that for about 20 minutes to an hour during your celebration or to lighten your home when you're in a happy mood.